How to stop the mark of the beast system, RFID chip. People need food, clothes, accommodation, electricity and transport resources. All the resources are found in agriculture zone. These products comprise the consumption basket. What is consumption basket? The consumption basket represents the purchasing power or salary of one family. If the value is $2,000 and their income is $1,500, they are low class. If the income of one family exceeds $2,000, they are middle class. It includes food, clothes, accommodation, utilities, childcare, education. All the resources are produced in agriculture zone. The oil is the main raw material or commodity because all the agriculture machines and means of transport use oil as energy resource. Let's represent the cost of living in Boston, Massachusetts. The first items are restaurants. All the products in a restaurant consists of bread, fruits, vegetables, meat, milk, cheese. The raw material for bread are cereals, such as wheat and rye. The raw material for meat, milk and cheese are cereals because the livestock is fed with cereals. The second items are markets. The products in a market includes cereals, meat, milk, cheese, fruits, vegetables. The raw material are cereals. The personal care products are made of oil. The oil is a raw material because the agricultural machines use oil as energy resource. The third items are transportation and gadgets. All the means of transport and gadgets are made of steel, copper and aluminum. These resources are found in the quarries and in the rivers from the sedimentary rocks. All the means of transport use oil and gas as energy resource. The fourth items are utilities. They include electricity, heating, cooling, telecommunication, water and garbage. The main raw materials for electricity and heating are oil, gas and coal. Alternative methods include wind towers, solar systems and hydropower. The fifth items are childcare and education. Education is essential to find a better paid job. The sixth items are clothing and shoes. The raw material for clothing is cotton. Leather is used as a byproduct from the livestock. The seventh items are housing and furniture. It includes houses and buildings. The raw materials for a house are concrete, bricks, tiles, glass. These products are made of sand, clay, lime, gravel. They are found in the rivers. The lumber is the main material for furniture and houses. They include oaks, pines, poplars, etc. The price of a house depends on in-city center factor or out-city center factor. It means close to facilities, calm neighborhood, job opportunities. The solution to lower the prices are entrepreneurship buildings. All the raw materials can be found in agriculture zone, such as cereals, cotton, oil, gas, coal and mined resources from the rivers and quarries such as steel, copper, aluminum, concrete, bricks, tiles and lumber. Each city can have an agriculture zone for the raw materials. The land. All the resources are on the land. The main resources are rivers, quarries, forests, agriculture. Let's start with the housing item or rent. The resources required for houses and buildings are found in the rivers and forests. From the rivers we can get sand, the raw material for glass; clay, the raw material for bricks and tiles; lime, the raw material for cement; gravel, the raw material for roads. The concrete is mix of cement, gravel and sand. From the forests we can get lumber for furniture and housing. The raw materials for furniture are oaks, pines, poplars. gadgets and cars are made of mined materials from the quarries and rivers, such as steel, copper, aluminum. We can conclude that for housing, cars and gadgets we need the raw materials which are found in the rivers, quarries and forests. The others items include food, clothes and oil which can be found in agriculture zone. They include cereals, such as wheat, corn, rye. The flour from wheat is the raw material for bread, pizza, donuts. Other products include oatmeal and cornflakes. Livestock products from the livestock include meat, milk, cheese. The raw materials are cereals, because the livestock eat cereals. Fishing, pools near rivers, seas or oceans. Fruits and vegetables, cotton, raw material for clothes. Sugar cane, raw material for oil, paper, sugar. Energy resources such as oil, gas and coal can be found in agriculture zone. Oil can be produced from wheat, corn, rye, beef animal fats, fish animal fats, cotton seeds, sugarcane. Gas can be produced from animal manure. Coal can be produced from green waste. Industries which depend on oil, cosmetic or personal care industry, mechanic or motor industry, chemical industry and pharmacy. Oil and gas are the raw materials for the transport industry. Oil, gas and coal are the raw materials for heating and electricity. To conclude, all products can be found in the agriculture zone. Food, cereals, meat, milk, cheese, fruits, vegetables. Clothes, cotton, leather. Utilities, electricity and heating. Others, houses, raw materials from rivers and forests. Car and gadgets. Raw materials from rivers and quarries. Solution for the raw materials. Agriculture zone. One agriculture zone for the raw materials of one town, for food, clothes, heating, electricity. The zone may include cereals, fruits, vegetables, meat, milk, cheese, cotton, oil, gas. For houses, the flow of a river can be separated to get concrete, bricks, tiles and glass. The sedimentary rocks can be used for steel, copper, aluminum. For electronic industry and cars, sedimentary rocks from the rivers and raw materials from the quarries, such as steel, copper, aluminum, gold. For houses and furniture, the agriculture zone may include oaks, pines and poplars. The raw materials from the agriculture zone can be connected with the industry zone or factories. This industry zone may include the following factories: food factory, clothing factory, construction factory, electronic factory, furniture factory, car factory. The industry zoning factories can be connected with the entrepreneurship building. People live in cities or suburbs and buy products from the entrepreneurship building. It may include the following marketplaces: supermarket, restaurant, clothing center, electronic center, furniture center, automotive center. The entrepreneurship building may include institutions such as childcare, primary school, local police station, judge or priests. Regarding the mark of the beast system, no one could buy or sell unless they had the mark. The solution can be controlling the entrepreneurship. People buy products from the entrepreneurship or marketplaces. The entrepreneurship is connected with the industry zone and factories. The factories rely on the raw materials from the land such as rivers, quarries, forests and agriculture. The raw materials are cereals, cotton, concrete, oil, gas, coal, steel, copper, aluminum and lumber. People don't own the land but the politicians. The politicians give the permission for the raw materials on the land to be sold. Nobody buys steel but cars and appliances. Nobody buys cereals but bread and meat. Nobody buys concrete but houses and apartments. The richest people or companies are the one who have permission to sell the raw materials. It includes automotive companies, electronic companies, construction companies, supermarkets and restaurants, petrol companies. The list of richest companies also includes the one who have dominant position for the services, such as telecommunication, banking and insurance, heating and electricity. The biggest deception is that people don't choose their president who will sell the raw materials, but the media.